Hello and welcome to a CLM products informational video. Today we're going to be going over the CLM4 filtration kit. Once everything has been removed from the box, you'll have your filtration kit, your PPC, CTO, and LCB housings, the first set of filters within those housings, your wrench, additional gaskets for your water inlet, and your filtration kit bag. When assembling your unit, be sure to remove everything from the housings. All filters come shrink wrapped, and you will need to remove this plastic before installing. Once the shrink wrap has been removed and the filters have been placed into respective housings, start by installing number 2 CTO first. An easy way to install the housings is to set the filtration kit on its back side. Hand tighten, and finish with the wrench. Now there is a stopper, so you can't over tighten. Then slide your locking clip down into place and repeat steps for 1 and 3. Once all 3 housings have been properly installed, we will place the wrench and gaskets into the bottom of the filtration kit and then place everything into the filtration kit bag. Be sure to flush all new filters for 5 minutes prior to use. To use your filtration kit, remove the red end caps, take the hose from your water source, and attach it to the swivel inlet. Then, attach the hose from the outlet to your RV. We recommend using a drinking water certified hose from the kit to your RV. Each RV will have its own specific location for water inlets. When storing the filtration kit, place the red end caps back on. When it's time to replace the filters, simply scan the QR code on the housing, which will take you directly to our website where you're able to order replacement filters. Replacement filters come color and number coordinated to their respective housing.